the country's national reserves to be called out to aid in the crime fight.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Prime Minister Andrew Holness says there will be a full call-out of the National Reserve in order to bring the current surge in crime under control. The Prime Minister made the announcement at a groundbreaking ceremony for a new police station in Mount Salem, St. James on Friday the 27th of November. He says the criminals will not be allowed to act with impunity. The additional boots on the ground is expected for the month of December. Prime Minister Holness said there seems to be a deliberate attempt to boost criminal activity when the security forces declare a decline, such as seen in the recent surge in murders. In response, he says the Security Council has decided to call out the National Reserve to augment the existing forces. The Prime Minister says multiple measures, including what he described as dynamic operations, will continue throughout the island. He says other methods, such as the zones of special operations, have helped in reducing crime.
To bring control to an area does not have to entail the taking of life or the abuse of citizens. And that is what we did with the zones of special operations. We organized human and material resources with strategy and logistics, with static and dynamic operations, to control a space to deliver peace to the community. So in effect, the zones of special operations was a peacekeeping mission.
But he noted that a zone of special operation will not solve every situation, pointing to the recent gruesome triple murder of an 81-year-old grandmother and her two granddaughters in Trial Heights, St. Catherine. The Prime Minister says quick response measures such as states of public emergency have worked particularly well and are important tools. He says the government will resolve any and all constitutional issues related to the enhanced security measure to assist in crime fighting.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!